What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to install the Flashark Racing N1 exhaust.
Hyper Speed Media.
This exhaust is meant to fit all Mazda Miata from 1990 to 97. It's crafted from high quality 304 stainless steel, featuring a fully polished surface, CNC machine flange, and mandrel bend. It also has a aggressive styling and deep strong exhaust tone, and could also improve horsepower and torque. The inlet and outlet diameter is 2.25 of an inch. The tip is a N1 style muffler and a 4-inch tip. And now before we get started with the installation, let's check and see how the stock exhaust sound, and we're going to compare the two side by side. And now we're ready to remove the stock exhaust. You're going to need a flathead and a 14mm socket. So the first step is to remove these two nuts right here. On some model of the Mazda Miata, you might have an isolator right here that you have to remove first. But on my car, we don't have that. So I'm just going to loosen these two nuts. And now on the driver's side, there's a rubber bushing or isolator. We're going to have to disconnect that from the exhaust. I'm going to use my flathead and just pry it up. And lastly, there's two more hangers on the passenger side. I got my pole jack to hold the exhaust in place so it won't fall on my head. And I'm going to use the flathead to pry it out, and that should drop right down. And now the exhaust should come out in one full piece. So as you can see here, both exhausts is laid out side by side. The Flashark Racing exhaust has less bends. It's much more smoother and straighter, and also has a thicker diameter, which give it a little bit more airflow and less restrictive. Okay, for the first step of the installation, we're going to remove the old gasket. Put on the new gasket. Next, we're going to put the hook on the exhaust onto this hanger. And next, we're going to line up the bolt. Now I'm going to use my old hardware and just finger tighten it for now. And next, we're going to install exhaust into the hangers. Now we can put the final hanger. Now we can put the gasket back in and use the hardware supplied in the kit. And lastly, we could just tighten it down. That's it guys. If you'd like to learn more about Flashark Racing products, check out the links below for discount and promotion. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hyper Speed Media.